tasted fire, I'm ready to come alive. I can't just shut it up and fake that I'm alright. I'm ready now, I'm not waiting for the afterlife.
I'm at war with the world and they try to pull me into the dark. I struggle to find
I'm riding around and I'm getting it. They riding around pretending I've been had it, I've been done it. I promise that it's all empty. They say they riding Bugattis, may put some babies through college. Quit trying to act like the trap is cool, cause we tired of hearing that garbage. 8 bags of white, pints of lean. I've been on dope boys since a teen, but this ain't what we meant to be. And y'all don't make no sense to me. You pump faking, ain't shooting, ain't killing, ain't doing half them things you say you're doing. But 116 we stay true and ain't dope dealing, ain't coke pimping. Talking about my own folk killing. We on that Jesus soul healing, so serious, go realist.